Is this at-home hydro-powered facial safe for your skin barrier? You know that amazing post-facial glow? The clean pores, the smooth texture, that glass skin finish? What if you can get that result at home without spending hundreds at the spa? I've been using the Shark FacialPro Glow for several weeks now, and as a dermatologist, I want to see if this at-home facial device actually works, and more importantly, whether it's safe for your skin barrier. This video is sponsored by Shark Beauty, but as always, these are my own professional opinions. Chapter 1. What is Shark Beauty and the FacialPro Glow? So Shark Beauty is the beauty tech division of Shark Ninja, known for smart home innovations. Their mission is simple: to democratize luxury technology so professional grade tools are accessible for everyone. The FacialPro Glow is the world's first at-home facial system that combines deep pore extraction, hydration infusion, and an added sculpting step with the Shark Depuffy attachment. It's designed to bridge the gap between your everyday routine and professional results. No appointment needed, no downtime, just 10 minutes to reset your skin. Chapter 2. Why this tech is different. So most at-home suction devices are too harsh. They tug, they bruise, they irritate. The FacialPro is different because it uses vortex hydrodermabrasion, meaning it simultaneously exfoliates and infuses hydration. You can personalize suction levels, and the silicone tips glide smoothly to protect the barrier. And then there's the Depuffy, a gua sha inspired attachment powered by contrast therapy, alternating gentle heat and cold to improve circulation, depuff, and sculpt the face. It's essentially the full spa experience re-engineered for your bathroom counter. Chapter 3. How the routine works. So here's the complete FacialPro Glow routine and timing. Step 1, you want to prep and warm up. Start with the Depuffy on insta heat for about a minute. That gentle warmth helps prep skin for exfoliation by loosening sebum, dirt, and oils, and it relaxes facial tension like the steam step in an office facial. Step 2, apply the Derm Detox. So this is an AHA and BHA exfoliating gel that softens impurities and loosens buildup inside pores. Leave it on for 3 minutes. It preps the skin perfectly for extraction. Step 3, exfoliate and extract. This takes about 3 minutes as well. First, fill the tank up with cool water to the fill line. Start with the wide tip. Now glide the FacialPro Glow across the skin. Once you're done with that, then you're going to move on to the T-zone tip. The hydro-powered suction lifts out oil, dead cells, and debris. Step 4, infuse and hydrate. This step also takes 3 minutes. Next, the tool infuses hydrating solution back into the skin, helping restore moisture balance and barrier integrity so your face feels plump, not stripped. Step 5, soothe and sculpt. This takes about 4 minutes. This is my favorite part. You're gonna switch to the Depuffy gua sha inspired contrast therapy sculpting tool. Use slow upward strokes along the jawline, cheeks, and under eye area. The device alternates cold and heat, providing a gentle daily massage that stimulates the lymphatic system and promotes natural drainage. Contrast therapy runs through 6 controlled levels. The Insta-Chill cold setting depuffs, contours, soothes, and helps lock in results. The Insta-Heat warm setting helps prep skin for exfoliation, boosts radiance and circulation, it helps with lymphatic drainage, and it helps relieve muscle tension. It feels like a facial massage and therapy session in one, and it's surprisingly calming. At the very end of your routine, don't skip the visual proof. See what's in the tank. You'll see a mix of oil, sebum, dead skin, and other impurities that were literally sitting in your pores minutes earlier. It's oddly satisfying and definitely reinforces how effective this device is. Chapter 4, the science and safety. The biggest questions I get about at-home facials are always about safety, specifically barrier integrity. The FacialPro Glow has adjustable suction that stays within a clinically safe range to prevent bruising or capillary damage. The silicone tips distribute pressure evenly, and the alternating exfoliation and hydration phases protect your moisture barrier rather than stripping it. It's been dermatologist tested and clinically validated for at-home use, which isn't something I can say for most consumer facial tools. Chapter 5. Derm FAQs. Can it damage the skin barrier? And the answer is no, when used correctly. The suction and hydration phases balance each other. How often should you use it? Once a week is ideal, but you can use the Depuffy anytime. Does it cause redness or bruising? Only if you linger in one spot. So keep the tip moving and let the built-in timers guide you. And is it safe for sensitive skin? The answer is yes, but you just want to make sure you start low, avoid acids for 24 hours after, and focus on hydration. Chapter 6, my results. After several weeks, I've noticed fewer clogged pores around my T-zone, a smoother texture, and a noticeably brighter tone. The Depuffy has become part of my morning routine. The cool mode is instant eye and jawline therapy. And yes, the waist tank reveal never gets old. It's so satisfying to see the proof of what's been cleansed out. Chapter 7, Pro Tips from a Derm. Remember to always start on clean, slightly damp skin. Keep the device moving. Never hover in one spot for a prolonged period of time. Finish with a hydrating serum and moisturizer. Avoid retinoids or strong acids for 24 hours after. Clean and dry the tip and tank after every use. Overall, the Shark FacialPro Glow gets my dermatologist seal of approval. It's a safe, effective, and smart way to achieve professional grade results right from home. You can learn more at the link in the description below. Thank you again to Shark Beauty for sponsoring today's video.